Hi, Christian here, back again with another video. Really quick before we get in with the video, nothing said here reflects negatively on the people of Thailand and Chanel Thailand. They were the nicest people that I've met. Rather, this takes a jab to Chanel as a whole, as we all know. I know it's been a while. I'm currently in Bangkok, Thailand, staying at the Pratunam area. And when I found out that they're discontinuing the Chanel Gabrielle bag, I immediately thought I need to go to another Chanel boutique very soon. And it's very fortunate because recently, ever since the onboarding of a Virginie VR, which is, it's been a while, but I haven't bought a Virginie VR piece. Um, and I've been buying a lot of vintage Karl Lagerfeld stuff. And hearing that this is going to be discontinued, I immediately hopped on to the nearest Chanel store here in Bangkok, Thailand, which is in Siam Paragon, which is in the Siam Center. So I have here the paper bag, fresh from Siam Paragon. My sales associate was May. She was amazing, very patient, and I really took my time with that one. So let's unbox. I've always wanted the Gabrielle bag ever since it came out. It's very non-binary and it's pretty, gender fluid. And I've always thought that, oh, it's never gonna, get discontinued. I'm gonna buy it until a colorway that I like would come out, but it never came, unfortunately. And it just so happened that recently I've been living for monochromatic looks. I mean, this is a full Marni fantasy, Marni for Uniqlo, and it's all blue. This is my outfit of the day. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? In the next clip, actually, you will hear some foreshadowing on what's about to happen. That siren was an indicator of a disaster coming in. Here it is. It's of course mixed metals, dual loop, so you can actually wear it like this. This is my favorite way of wearing the Gabrielle bag. And you have the zipper, so it's easy access. So that's it. That's the Gabrielle bag. So that's it. That's the Gabrielle bag. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to look at. So I hope you enjoyed this one. So stay tuned. In the next clip here, we can actually see the damage that I was referring to. The leather tab to which the logo is held is split halfway, and so I did a quick call to the hotline and they were able to advise the boutique that I would be returning. So I'm still here at the Chanel boutique. They actually took the bag back. And just a side note, I thought they would contest the validity of the defect, but they took the bag pretty quick. Too quick, I think. Makes you wonder. But they don't have it in the gray color anymore, so we had it replaced with a salmon-y pink, red, orange version, which I think I could work better into my wardrobe. I'll try to show you later. I did, however, inspect it better this time, so that's one thing. The one common denominator I saw with all the bags, I went through a number of bags, by the way, who were also all Gabrielle in that small size. They were all made in Italy. Those kinds of defects that I've encountered, I don't encounter with made in France bags. And this is the only time where I would take home a made in Italy bag. So there's that. Jacob is right. Super quick side note, please do subscribe to Super Jacob's channel. He is the Chanel person here on YouTube. Hi. So now we're back at the hotel. I'm in different clothes now because it rained outside and my previous clothes were wet. And so what happened was they graciously accepted the defect, but the thing is, common denominator to all of the because I went through several different bags, and the common denominator was they're all made in Italy. So I guess the theory that made in Italy bags are inferior to made in France bags is kind of real. Anyway, so let's continue the unboxing. Here it is. We packaged it again in hopefully with better content. So let's do the whole thing again. Ta-da! So they call it red, but to me it registers more as like orange or like salmon. Here it is. So here's the Gabrielle bag. Hopefully, as I wear this, no more factory defects would manifest itself. So, bye bye. Once more, let me reiterate before we end this video, Chanel Thailand, especially the boutique that I was in CM Paragon, is not at fault here, especially May, my sales associate. She could not have been more accommodating regarding this request. So, yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please do consider subscribing. Thank you.